Rev up your engines! It's time for ScottyKilmer.com. If your car is absolutely dead when you turn the key on, nothing, not even dash lights, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to fix a completely dead car. Now, I just had this Honda towed to me because it wouldn't start for the customer. He turned the key on and there was nothing. So the next thing to do is to try to jump start it to see if the battery's dead. The cables and connect positive to positive. The other positive goes on the battery in the car. And then negative on the donor battery. And then the other negative to any metal part of the engine. You don't want to put it on the battery, you put it on a metal part of the engine. Turn the key on and see what happens. And in this case, still nothing. Dead as a doorknob. Now, being a professional mechanic, I already knew the battery was okay because I got this battery tester, but you're not going to spend $1,000 for that, so jump starting it works just as well. So now we know there's a power short somewhere between the battery and the dash, so let's start looking. I'm going to hook up my trusty power probe to find where the electricity's lost. Just put positive on positive and negative on negative. Now it's ready to check. The first thing to check is the terminal. Sometimes they short out. But this has power, and this has ground, so that's okay. Next thing is to check is the main fuse box. We'll start checking all the fuses to see if any of them are blown. Well, everything here is checking out okay, and it has to be a big fuse, like one of these 40 or 30 amp fuses, because they run main power. Well, unfortunately, it's not a fuse, so we're going to have to go even further into the wiring to figure out what's wrong. So we'll have to pierce all the wiring all the way down until we find where there's a short. Now, it's still got power here. And since this end doesn't seem to be finding anything, I'm going to start at the other end where the ignition switch is. Maybe it's in that part. So I'll get the old trusty flashlight out and start looking under the dash. We'll check the ignition switch power. It's got power going in, but when we turn the key on, it's got no power going out, 0 volts, so the switch is bad. And here's the new ignition switch. You just have to put it in. You just have to take the dash apart and unplug it. And then just plug the new one back in. Now turn the key and voila, we got power in action. So the next time your electrical system goes dead, why not try fixing it yourself? And remember, if you have any car questions, just visit ScottyKilmer.com.